Welcome, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to drink water from a glass. Drinking water is essential for staying healthy and hydrated, so let's get started. Step 1. Fill a clean glass with cold water. Step 2. Place the glass on a flat surface and make sure it is stable. Step 3. Grab the glass with one hand, making sure that your thumb is over the rim. Step 4. Raise the glass to your lips, tilting your head back slightly. Step 5. Take small sips of the water. Step 6. When you are finished drinking, place the glass back on a flat surface. And that's it. Now you know how to drink water from a glass. Remember to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water every day. Thanks for watching.